Creativity is like this structure, built slowly, piece by piece, from ordinary materials into something extraordinary. What first appears rough or strange becomes fascinating when you notice the detail, patience, and design hidden inside it. Nature is the best teacher of creativity, and a bird's nest is a small masterpiece made with intelligence, patience, and natural resources. Visually, it resembles a sculptural artwork made by nature itself, reminding us that creativity exists behind humans in nature, instinct, architecture, and survival.